Hi guys, welcome back to my dream cars. Okay, right, today we bring you an in-depth look at the 2026 Tata Altroz, a hatchback that sets new standards in design, technology and performance. Has already established itself as a premium hatchback, and now with its latest iteration it brings even more sophistication, futuristic styling and advanced features. From the moment you lay your eyes on the 2026 Tata Altroz, it is evident that Tata Motors has designed this car to turn heads. The front fascia is more aggressive than ever, with a sleek blacked-out grille featuring a bold toddler logo at its center. The sharp light headlights now come with dynamic DRLs, giving the Outs a distinctive and premium look, especially at night. These LEDs are designed to offer exceptional brightness and clarity, improving visibility while enhancing the car's modern appeal. The sculpted HUD adds to its aerodynamics, flowing seamlessly into the redesigned bumper, which now features larger air intakes for improved airflow and efficiency. The lower section of the bumper is accentuated with sporty black inserts, further enhancing the car's aggressive character. The side profile maintains its signature stats with strong character lines that run from the front fender to the rear, emphasizing its dynamic proportions. The floating roof effect achieved through blackout pillars gives a car a sleek coupe-like silhouette. The all-new dual-tone alloy was complement the overall design, available in larger, sportier sizes, ensuring not just a better stance but also improved road grip and handling. The level of side mirrors feature integrated turn signals, adding both safety and style. The flush door handles contribute to the car's aerodynamic efficiency, enhancing its futuristic appeal. Stepping inside the 2026 Altroz, you're welcomed by a cabin that exudes luxury, comfort and high-tech innovation. Tata Motors has refined every detail, making the interior feel more premium than ever. The dashboard layout is minimalist yet futuristic, with premium soft-touch materials and a dual-tone design that enhances the sense of space. The floating 12-inch touchscreen infotainment system is the centerpiece of the cabin, seamlessly integrated with the fully digital driver's display, providing a futuristic cockpit experience. The flat-bottom steering wheel, wrapped in premium leather, features haptic touch controls, giving the driver a more intuitive way to interact with the car systems. The steering mount that controls allow seamless access to multimedia, cruise control and voice commands, ensuring a distraction-free drive. The backside of the 2026 Tata Altroz is where futuristic design meets sporty elegance. The first thing that grabs attention is the connected lead tail light setup, which stretches across the width of the car, forming a striking visual signature. The lead elements within the tail lights are sharp, detailed and intricately designed to ensure maximum visibility while adding a premium feel. The bulled-out US badging is now more pronounced, centrally placed, reinforcing the car's identity and premium positioning. The rear windshield is slightly rigged, giving the Altroz a sporty coupe-like look. By the roof-mounted spoiler with an integrated lead star clamp enhances both aerodynamics and aesthetics. The redesigned rear bumper features a sculpted diffuser with sporty black inserts, contributing to an aggressive stance. The dual exhaust tips, subtly integrated into the lower section of the bumper, give the Altroz a performance since pyro lock, making it feel more like a hot hat. The rear reflectors are symmetrically positioned, ensuring the car looks equally stunning from all angles, day or night. But it's not just about looks. Of the practical tailgate design ensures easy access to a spacious boot, making the Altroz perfect for long journeys and daily commuting. The 2026 Tata Altroz is not just a car, it's a statement. Every detail, from the aggressive front end, the sleek side profile and the futuristic cabin to the bold and powerful rear design, makes this month of the most exciting hatchbacks in the market. The combination of cutting-edge technology, premium materials and advanced safety features ensures that the Altroz delivers an unmatched driving experience, whether you are looking for a stylish city car or a long-distance companion. The 2026 Tata Altroz redefines the hatchback experience with its stunning design, advanced features and exceptional performance. With a refreshed modern exterior, the Altroz now boasts an even sleeker, bolder look that grabs attention on the road. Inside, the cabin offers premium materials, spaciousness, and high-tech features, ensuring comfort and convenience for all passengers. The car comes equipped with the latest in infotainment systems, safety technology, and a fuel-efficient engine, making it perfect for both city drives and long journeys. With its combination of style, practicality and advanced tech, The 2026 Tata Altroz is ready to lead the way in the hatchback segment. The 2026 Tata Altroz is ready to impress. Please share, like and subscribe to our channel Dream Cars for more exciting car content. Thanks for watching.